Let's look at the definition of default as per SARFAESI Act. First, let me read out the definition. It's a little lengthy one. Then we'll analyze. Look. When the borrower does not pay any principal debt or interest on the principal debt or any other amount payable to the secured creditor, and due to such non-payment, the account of such borrower is classified as non-performing asset in the books of secured creditor as per RBI guidelines, it is called as default. Okay, so this is the definition. Worry not, I'll explain. See, there are 3 to 4 important elements in this definition. Number 1, borrower is not making repayment of principal. Or number 2, borrower is not making interest payment on the principal. Or number 3, borrower is not making payment of any other amount that is payable. And if you look deeper into the definition, after all these points, it says to the secured creditor. It means if principal is not paid, interest on principal is not paid, other amounts are not paid, to whom? To secured creditor. And because of that non-payment, if that borrower account is classified as NPA, that is non-performing asset, following RBI guidelines, then that is default. Okay, that is default as per SARFAESI Act. So a simple one-line message it gives protection to secured creditor only. So if a creditor wants to enforce his right of security enforcement, their borrower should have committed default, as I explained. So it can be either principal or interest on principal or other amount, but that would have been pending payment, and by following the RBI guidelines, that account should have been classified as what? Classified as non-performing asset. It means secured creditor cannot take shelter under SARFAESI Act when the borrower has not committed default. I already mentioned, here protection is available only for the secured creditor and it is not for unsecured creditor. And there is also one more point where I want to lay a stress. The stress point is this. Account should have been classified as non-performing asset by following RBI guidelines. It means bank cannot declare an account as NPA by creating its own guidelines, and it cannot take shelter under SARFAESI Act. Even a case is available. It's Mardia chemical case. Okay, this case was argued before Supreme Court. This case was argued before Supreme Court by the bank to take shelter under SARFAESI Act. Here what the bank did is, bank has created its own NPA norms and tried enforcing the security under SARFAESI Act. But Supreme Court said nothing doing. Supreme Court rejected the argument of the bank and it held that NPA classification should be done only as per RBI guidelines. Okay, so the critical points in this definition is non-payment, secured creditor, NPA classification and RBI guidelines.